पिला माने आमे लास्ट क्लास रे पढ़िथिलु गैल्वेनोमीटर विषय रे। सी क्लास रो सीरियल नंबर थिला MEC 11 ए नथिला MEC 11। से गैल्वेनोमीटर विषय रे आउ गोटे कथा जानिबा दरकार जोटा कि परीक्षा पे बहुत इंपोर्टेंट छोटो जिनसटे सेटा होची करंट सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द गैल्वेनोमीटर एंड वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द गैल्वेनोमीटर। जेतु एटा गैल्वेनोमीटर सहित पढ़ा सहित ओतप्रोत भाव जड़ित तेणु ये सीरियल नंबर मुझे MEC 11A इज नॉट ए बिग वन, इट इज ए स्मॉल वन। मो लास्ट क्लास में जो फिगर रखी तार जो डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द कॉइल मापिया पे जो स्केल कथा बंदोबस्त करा जाए बा यूज करा जाए ताको मध्ये मोटी रखी so that you will feel at home or you will feel very convenient to see the figure of the last class and the study of this class. It should be always correlated. Now कथा होची सेंसिटिविटी कथा उठुची काई कोन पे उठुची करंट तो फ्लो करिवो एवं कोन हबो ना कॉइलटा कोन करिवो ना रोटेट करि जिवो तमे ता रोटेशन एंगल ता मापि देबो करंट बाहर कर देबो। पण सेंसिटिविटी कोन मो मूलर कहितले आरंभ करतले गैल्वेनोमीटर इज ए वेरी सेंसिटिव इंस्ट्रूमेंट। सेंसिटिव माने होची अल्प करंट देले सेते यथेष्ट बेसी डिफ्लेक्शन से कॉइल तार जो कॉइल अछि से कॉइल रे हे परिबो कारण तुम मापिबो डिफ्लेक्शन गोटे मापिबो बा रोटेशन रे मापिबो रोटेशन रे जते अधिक हबो तुम सहज रे मापि परिबो तुम ताको देखि परिबो। जदि एति टिके रोटेशन हबो एति टिके कोन हबो डिफ्लेक्शन हबो त मापि परिबोनी। सो इट शुड बी क्वाइट एप्रिसिएट। तेरो तमर मन थिबो आमे पढिथिले जे जते बेले करंट पास करिवो गैल्वेनोमीटर रे सेते बेले तापर ओटा टर्क काम करिवो NIBA। दिस इज योर लास्ट क्लास, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिफ्लेक्टिंग टर्क। से पे एटा पढ़ाई छै डी वैली पढ़ाई छै। जते एटा रोटेट करिवो ए जो ताराटा रे जोलु छै एटा सस्पेंशन वेयर ये मोड़ी हे जिवो मोड़ी हेले कोन करिवो ना जे दैट विल बी ट्विस्ट द ट्विस्ट इन द सस्पेंशन वेयर एटा जति रोटेट करिवो कॉइलटा से ताराटा मध्ये सेति मोड़ी हे जिवो अर्थात इट विल बी आल्सो ट्विस्टेड एंड ड्यू टू दैट ट्विस्ट देयर विल बी एन ऑपोजिंग टर्न जोटा कि ए डिफ्लेक्शन को बाधा देबो। द LR इज इक्वल टू अंतिम करथिलु C into theta। a theta is one, now theta is the angle through which the coil rotates or theta is the angle of twist। जदि एटा न थांता तले LD कोन करथा डिफ्लेक्टिंग टर्क कोन करथा कॉइल टाको मोड़ी थांता और अधिक मोड़ी मोड़ी सेतरे से छिड़ी जाता। तो कोनसी जगह रे कोन हवा दरकार जे आउ फर्दर रोटेशन कॉइल रो हे परिबो नै। दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन। ताको कोन कहंती दैट इज कॉल्ड योर इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन। केतले इक्विलिब्रियम हबो ना जते बेले द डिफ्लेक्टिंग टर्क विल बी इक्वल टू द ऑपोजिट टर्क और रिस्टोरिंग टर्क। ओके ये रिस्टोरिंग टर्क कोन करबो ना कॉइल टाको पुनर्बार तार पूर्व अवस्था को फेरिया चेष्टा करिवो सेतरे आउ कॉइल अधिक हेई परिबो नाही रोटेट करि परिबो नाही। सो दिस इज द मैक्सिमम टर्न में मैक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द कॉइल और मैक्सिमम ट्विस्ट इन द सस्पेंशन वेयर और यू कैन राइट डाउन NIBA is equal to C theta। very clean and clear। और your current is equal to C divided by NBA into theta। So our purpose is to measure the value of theta। Our purpose is to measure the value of theta, but we should know this thing: N is the number of turn, B is the magnetic field at the center of the coil, A is the area of the coil, and C is a constant। Okay, so all these things, if they are known, then you can find out theta, multiply theta with this, and you can find out your I। This is the whole thing। एवं C टा हम कोन कहि परिबा द रिस्टोरिंग टर्क पर यूनिट ट्विस्ट थीटा को जते हम 1 कर देबे ताले C का से समान हो LR से समान हो। एटा लास्ट क्लास से हम कहितली द रिस्टोरिंग टर्क पर यूनिट ट्विस्ट और यूनिट रोटेशन ऑफ द कॉइल। ए तो आसिला जे हमें आशा करिबा करंट अल्प हबो কোন থিটাটা কোন হওয়া দরকার যথেষ্ট বেশি হওয়া দরকার তাহলে আমি কইবা the galvanometer is a very sensitive instrument এবং সেই অ্যাকচুয়াল দরকার মই কইলে galvanometer can measure very small current in microampere range রে মধ্যে সে মাপি পারিব so in order that galvanometer becomes a very sensitive instrument it should produce a larger deflection even if a small current flows through the galvanometer বুঝিল কি নাই students when you are going to explain current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity then your starting equation should be this I is equal to C by NBA into theta where symbols are known to you ei jame kadiba theta by I this is equal to I eti asla is equal to chali gala N B A by C eita koha jaye IS current sensitivity so this is the mathematical meaning of current sensitivity what it means that if I is equal to 1 means 1 unit then your current sensitivity IS eta 1 he gale kete he jibo that is equal to N B A by C so this gives us an idea about the meaning of current sensitivity so what is current sensitivity if I is equal to 1 then simple theta is equal to this if I is equal to 1 unit then IS it will take correction IS is equal to only theta and that is equal to NBA by C so how can you define current sensitivity it is the amount of it is the deflection of the or it is the rotation of the coil it is the rotation of the coil theta when how much current flows in the coil 1 unit so current CS means current sensitivity it is the rotation or twist in the galvanometer coil IS टा खाली थीटा केते लही जीवो then I टा 1 हो when unit current flows in the galvanometer ଯେତେବେଳେ unit current will flow in the galvanometer I repeat when I is equal to 1 this IS which is current sensitivity becomes equal to theta it is equal to rotation or twist in the galvanometer when unit current flows in the galvanometer coil okay so now you understand this so let me now write down this thing that IS is equal to NBA by theta so I write down this that current sensitivity IS is equal to N B A by C let us then analyze this thing question is we want that if the instrument is going to be very sensitive then current sensitivity should be as high as possible if the instrument is to be sensitive then its current sensitivity should be more or large. Larger the current sensitivity, then the instrument is more sensitive. Then the question is, current sensitivity body empty. Current sensitivity should be more. So if IS is to be increased, then the factors on which it depends, what are those factors? N, B, A and C. नहीं हमें तो अलग वाला लिखिएगा that IS depends on N के लिखिए depends on N number of turns in the coil, B the magnetic field, A the area of the turn, and C. So these are the four factors on which this sensitivity depends. And if IS has to increase, it will increase if what you have to do? N must increase, comma, B must increase, comma, A must increase, and C must decrease. So, in order to increase the sensitivity, current sensitivity of the galvanometer, what you have to do? You have to increase the number of turns, increase the magnetic field strength, increase the area, and increase or decrease the twist per unit rotation. Then all these operations have some advantages and some limit. Then the question is, if N increases, then what happens? The coil becomes heavier, and there is a chance that the suspension wear may break. Potentially भारी ही जो है ना सौर तारटी तो उससे भागी जीवो. So it is called the coil becomes heavier and suspension wear may break. So you cannot go on increasing the coil turns indefinitely. There has to be limit. But a limit अच्छे, no doubt. तब जितने टर्न बढ़ेगा, तब sensitivity सेते बढ़ी जीवो. कुन हेले कौन हो? Physically speaking, basic coil पड़ी जैसे turn ना हो, then छिड़ी के पड़ती. So there should be a limit. That's why there should be a limit. So N has a limit. I think you agree? Then this is discussed. Then you come to the second point. It was point 1. Then point 2. If area increases, छोटो area थिला, आउटियो बड़ा करो, आउटियो बड़ा करो, तले कौन है? The instrument will be very large. Can you make a coil their length or breadth बहुत बेसी थी? The answer is no. So if A increases, then size of the coil will be very large, and we don't want it. The instrument will not be a small one, instrument will be a big one. So galvanometer will be very large, and we don't want it. Nobody wants it. That's why area also has a limit. So A has a limit. तापर आसिला कौन? तापर आसिला 3 नंबर पॉइंट. कौन आसिला? जे Is will be more if magnetic field, if Is increases, if B increases, magnetic field increase kala. Tapai madhya there is a limit. Tapai madhya limit no, I'm sorry, it is not the limit. B टा माने केमती increase करिबा. आमे जदि जो पोल थिला नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल तार सरफेस पर जदि कोन करथाते आमे जे फ्लैट नहीं खाते then magnetic field would not have been very large. Could आमे कोन करिछु ना the north pole surface is concave and the south pole surface is also concave. तो मानते हम तो बुझे छी लास्ट क्लास से. So purposefully the surfaces of the north and south pole are curved. That's why it produces what type of field? Con field. तमता नाम हो पाखे ना तम से कहता ना. It produces a radial field. So in order to increase the value of B or magnetic field strength, magnetic field induction, south and north pole surfaces are curved. Okay, so it produces a radial field. Therefore, this मझी जगह कौन होची? The field strength is very large. Field strength is very large. तेणु मुझे को लिमिट के लिए कुछ नॉले इतने कुछ that the n pole surface and s pole surfaces are concave. So it produces a strong radial field. Concurrent, it produces a strong radial field. Agreed? So if B value is strong, obviously sensitivity is more. Okay, I got a point. This is one point. I got a point here, that I got a point पढ़ाला ना आ मझे मु कहितले गोटे सॉफ्ट आयरन रो कोर रखा जाय. कोन रखा जाय? सॉफ्ट आयरन कोर. ए सॉफ्ट आयरन कोर is placed inside the coil. Due to this, the B value, B or magnetic induction, B value is field strength increases. So there are two ways in which we have ensured that the field is stronger, because the pole pieces are concave, and the other one is that there is one iron piece, that soft iron piece inside that. Then as well C. The next point is 4 number point. C is to be smaller. Due to this, the suspension wear is made up of, it is made up of phosphor and bronze. Phosphor laboratory पढ़ने के देखा जाइए जब यही alloy तमें नबो phosphor bronze तमें नबो तो तारो C value or the twist or inner deflection will be very less. तो नेटी जो प्रकार भाव में आपको गठन कराई थी प्रत्येक गठन पछरे और the choice of तो डिजाइन पछरे किसी ना किसी गोटे उद्देश्य अच्छी. N is larger, B should be larger, A should be larger, and C should be larger. Then only your current sensitivity will be less. Current sensitivity will be large. है. Students, we have read what is current sensitivity. It is equal to theta by I, माने twist or rotation of the coil per unit current. Now that was in your syllabus. That was in your syllabus, and in standard board examination of any form, questions come on current sensitivity and also on voltage sensitivity. Even though voltage sensitivity is not in our CHSC syllabus. Okay, but once you have read current sensitivity, you must read what is voltage sensitivity. It is rotation per unit current. It is defined the voltage sensitivity is defined as it is the rotation of the coil when unit voltage is applied between two terminals of the galvanometer. ये टर्मिनल देखा गोटे ए गोटे बी अच्छी अनेक जगह T1 T2 निया ये बाटे करंट पशिला और ये बाटे करंट बाहरी गला तबे ए दुटा टर्मिनल भीतर यदि V वोल्टेज केते वोल्टेज डालो V वोल्टेज अप्लाई करलो सो V वोल्टेज अप्लाई करले आर मतलब डिफ्लेक्शन होची थीटा सो what is theta by V? That is Vs, and Vs is your voltage sensitivity. अर्थात आमी जदि V टाको 1 unit value नबा applied voltage. What is V? Applied voltage. What is theta? Rotation or twist of the coil, and Vs is voltage sensitivity. If you take V as equal to 1, then numerically voltage sensitivity is equal to your angle of twist or rotation. It is the rotation of the coil when unit voltage is applied between two terminals of the galvanometer. If V is equal to 1 unit, then Vs is theta. Now you see, how can you have a separate expression for voltage sensitivity? From Ohm's law, you know V is equal to IR. R is the resistance of the coil. I is the current flowing in the galvanometer, and V is the voltage applied between two terminals of the galvanometer. हमें just a पूर्व पढ़ी the current in the galvanometer is equal to C by NBA into theta. I have told it so many times, so I need not express what is C, what is N, what is B, what is V. Or V equal to I into R. I पे कितना लिखी C by NBA. देखो भला करी I पे लिखी C by NBA into कितने theta multiplied by पुनी करना R. Now I have to find out in the reverse way. Theta by V. Beta definitely and definition of theta by V equal to Vs. So theta by V equal to NB into second eligible. So theta by V equal to NBA down C, and this is your R. So this is the expression for voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer. Hello. Now it is very clear and very clean. Now the question arises, how the voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer can increase. The formula is here. Vs is equal to NBA by CR. Then what are the factors on which voltage sensitivity depends? It depends on N, depends on B, depends on A, and depends on C, depends on R. Okay, it is directly proportional to N, B, A, and inversely proportional to C and R. Take it the factors on which Vs depend N, B, A, directly proportional to. Then C and R, it is inversely proportional to. Now, if you want that Vs should increase, okay, Vs should increase, then N should increase, B should increase, A should increase, but C should decrease, and R should decrease. We have discussed in case of current sensitivity, there has to be a limit in the value of N, there has to be a limit in the value of A. They cannot be allowed to increase. Then the galvanometer become very bulky, heavy, and the suspension wire may snap, may break, chedi jota hai. But B pai kon kara dechi, that the pole pieces are concave. Concave hela pare kon hoche na, at the central region between N and S poles, the field is very, very strong. Moreover, there is a soft iron core. There is a soft iron core inside the coil, or say soft iron core charipote coil to godai ke rakha ichi, tar presence jogu field strong he jaye. And C पाई के हमारा सस्पेंशन वायर जोड़े जे बड़ी होबो ट्विस्ट होबो सेटा फर्स्ट ब्रॉन्ज रे तयारी हेता है एवं आर होची रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द कॉइल से पे ए रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द कॉइल को कम करिया पई वी शुड टेक ए कंडक्टिंग वायर ऑफ बेस्ट कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल दैट इज कॉपर एपे अन्य किछि सेठी यूज करा जायनी अन्य कॉइल यूज करा जायनी कॉपर इज यूज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू make the value of R. Okay, so this is the discussion on current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. Students, we have discussed about current sensitivity, voltage sensitivity, मतलब देखी पार्छ ना नहीं, and we have defined them and we have found out an expression for them. Current sensitivity is NVA by C and voltage sensitivity is NVA by CR. R is the difference between this and this. R is the resistance of the coil. Then it is quite interesting. We may discuss on an interesting conclusion that मन कर हमें IS को बढ़ेइबो का को बढ़ेइबो तले n को हम कोन करिया पड़िबो डबल करिया पड़िबो तेणु डबल कर देले IS बढ़ी गला लेखि देले एटी जे when n increases to केते twice n then R according to the properties of resistance, that resistance of a wire is proportional to its length. Proportional to length. तेणु जदि length जदि कोन ले n डबल हे गेला माने length कोन हे गेला थरे पुनी दी थर length बढ़ी गेला कि नहीं तो थर का resistance जा ही थांता जब हमें r वैल्यू कहिजु दी थर resistance कोन हेजो twice r हेजो. So not only r n increases to twice n, R also increases to twice R. तो हम जब ये फॉर्मूला पकेइबा BS n जगह में केते लिखिबे twice n, B को B रहिला, A को A रहिला, C को C रहिला, R जगह केते लिखिबे twice R. 2 2 कटि गेला जो NVA by CR था CR रहिला. So what happens by n को डबल कले current sensitivity बढ़ुची but voltage sensitivity remain unchanged. This is a very interesting conclusion out of our discussion. So this is the end of our galvanometer and the current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. I repeat, तुम सिलेबस रे कोन current sensitivity लिखाई छी ता सत्य मते मो voltage sensitivity पढाई देली आ ऊपरे अनेक समय शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ब्रीफ क्वेश्चन बहुत आसीबो. So gives adequate importance to these two topics. Next time हमें तले पढिबा हमें कोन पढिबा use of galvanometer. कोन use as ammeter and voltmeter. That is the topic for the next class.